Hi, my name is Kamar Jaleel. I'm General Manager at Sindh Anglo Coal Mining Company. We just finished training on mind mapping by Futuristic Learning. It was a phenomenal 4-day learning experience, and the application that resonated with me the most was the problem solving and preparing for the presentation. So we got some very powerful tips, very powerful tools with us that I know that will definitely help me in my work as well as in my personal life. So thank you so much, the team at Futuristic Learning, for this very powerful and very enjoyable learning experience. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyid Ahmed Ali and I'm the Assistant Manager of Electrical Systems here in SCCMC. What I liked most about this course was कि ये बहुत एक powerful course है. मतलब बज़ाहिर नाम से लग रहा था कि एक mind mapping के ऊपर एक ये कोर्स डिलीवर होगा एंड हमें लग रहा था कि लाइक वी विल बी उसके ऊपर सिर्फ हमारा फोकस होगा कि टू मेक द माइंड मैप एंड एवरीथिंग, पर ऐसा नहीं है. इसमें द ब्रेन बूस्टर्स और जो इस तरह की हमने कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ की हैं, कुछ जो हमने क्या कहते हैं एक्सरसाइजेस की, उससे मतलब एक बहुत लॉन्ग लास्टिंग एक इम्प्रेशन पड़ा है. और आई हैव अटेंडेड अ फ्यू कोर्सेज जो एक प्रोफेशनल एक आके आपको एक डिलीवर करते हैं इन अ कॉर्पोरेट सेटिंग, पर वो उनका इम्पैक्ट इतना नहीं रहा इन माई लाइफ. और इस कोर्स को लेके जो ये माइंड मैपिंग का टूल हो गया, या फिर वो ब्रेन बूस्टर एक्टिविटीज़ हो गई, या फिर वो जो हार्ट एंड ब्रेन कोहेरेंस के ऊपर जो अच्छा मैम ने डिलीवर किया, आई एम प्रिटी श्योर कि दैट विल लास्ट विद मी फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, एंड आई एम रियली ग्लैड दैट आई वाज हियर एंड गिवन दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. थैंक यू.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Maruk Arif and I am from SCCMC, Sindh Anglo Coal Mining Company. We recently had an experience of 4-day training with the Futuristic Learning on mind mapping, and it was really amazing to have such an experience from the best like Sania and her team, and the content was really good throughout the training.
I am Ariba Tanveer. I am Assistant Manager Mine Excellence Department here at SCCMC, Sindh Anglo Coal Mining Company. And I took a 4-day long course of mind mapping by the Futuristic Learning team, and it has been a life-changing training for me. Basically, all the trainings I had before were HR trainings or technical trainings. This was the most unique training I've had since I've joined this company, and it was mind-blowing. The trainers were great, amazing trainers, Sania especially, and Bira, and also Shomi. They were amazing with us, and all the brain exercises, and especially the nap time. So it was absolutely wonderful. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Zuhair Naeem and I am Assistant Manager Maintenance Planning. When we talk about this course, mind mapping, I think it's a wonderful course. It's very informative, especially for technical people. But the main thing, the key highlight over here was the way this course was presented to us. This course was presented in a very fun moment, and I don't think throughout these 4 days there was a single moment when I was not paying attention to the course and when I was not learning from this course. So I think that you should give it a go. If you are a technical person, if you are a non-technical person, then this course will be even more beneficial to you. So
hi, this is Huda Ahmed. I work here in SCCMC as Assistant Manager, and I recently took mind mapping course. So I was a huge fan of mind mapping course since I took the speed reading course, and I was fortunate enough to get opportunity to be part of this mind mapping, and I got my mind blown about in this course. So it's highly recommended this course, and I would also request everyone else who is seeing to take this course from Sania. So thank you so much, Sania, and your team for giving me this opportunity to take this course.
Assalamu alaikum. Mohammad Salman Khan here from SCCMC, HSC department, and mind mapping course has been very interesting, and I am very positive about it to apply it in my daily routine for quick learning and covering as much information as possible for the team and minutes of meeting.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. मेरा नाम नईम शहजाद है और मैं डिप्टी मैनेजर हूँ सिंध एंग्लो कोल माइनिंग कंपनी में. और रिसेंटली आज हमने फ्यूचरिस्टिक लर्निंग की तरफ से माइंड मैप ट्रेनिंग ली, और ये इतना इंजॉयबल था और इतना इंटरेक्टिव और इंगेज सेशन था जो आज तक मैंने पहले कभी नहीं लिया. और इसने मेरी क्रिएटिविटी को इंगेज किया, और मेरा इट वाज लाइक अ ब्रेन ट्रेनर. تو مجھے بہت مزہ آیا اور تھینک یو سو مچ فیوچرسٹک لرننگ.
Hi, hello. I am Mohammad Anis Qureshi and Assistant Manager Finance and Planning working in SCCMC. We did four days course of mind mapping. It was a very fantastic. The content is very exceptional, and it was not a learning. It was full of fun. So we enjoy a lot. We learn a lot, which will really help in our practical life. Thank you very much.